there are two cases when adding and subtracting fractions. There's the first case, which these two expressions represent, which is when they share the same base. And then there are cases like these on the right side in which the bases are not the same. And by the base, I mean the denominator here at the bottom. So when they're the same, the problems become very simple. All you do is you sum what's on the top and keep that base the same. So in this case, we took this 5/3 plus 6/3 and turned it into 5 plus 6/3, which becomes 11/3. And you do the exact same thing for subtraction. It becomes 10 minus 5/4, which is equal to 5/4. Now, when you're given this case, when the bases are not the same, the goal is going to be to make the bases the same. Now, the easiest way to do this is multiply the opposite numerator by the given denominator. So in this case, we multiply this 3 by 3 and this 2 by 2. And we write that here to show. So you do 2 times 2 over 3 times 2 plus 3 times 3 over 3 times 2. And so you're multiplying the bases by each other in order to make it so that they have the same base. And using this giant 1, so this giant 1 of multiplying both by 2, multiplying both by 3, you're maintaining continuity so that it's still an accurate expression. And it's still equivalent to this initial expression that we had. Alright, so now when you multiply these out, you get 4/6 plus 9/6. And in the same way as we solve these first two problems, you just do 4 plus 9/6, which is going to give us 13/6. And it's the exact same case for subtraction. You multiply these by the giant 1 in the opposite denominator, and that gives you what it is. So we have 1 times 5 over 4 times 5 minus 2 times 4 over 4 times 5. Multiply this out, we get 5 over 20 minus 2 times 4, which is 8 over 20. And then you get 5 minus 8 over 20, which gives us an answer of -3 over 20.